Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have a little share I want to do for you. This is from Lynette, who is Cheaply Chic, and she does some beautiful TN kits each and every month. And I was finally able to get one, and this is her kit for June, and it's called the Bloom Journal Collection. It's a junk journal kit, actually, is what it is. And so, this is her Etsy store right here. It's Cheaply Chic Boutique.etsy.com. And you should really check out her kits every month. They're beautiful. So what I decided to do with these kits are, is to document everything that happens during that month. So this is June, and I will start putting this together for the month of June. But it comes with this little leaflet here, and I love this picture with Bloom underneath it. And then on the back it tells a little bit about her and about the inspiration for this kit. And so it's just really beautiful. As a matter of fact, if you tune in for Thursday Night Live this week, you're going to see me not use the original, but a copy of this to go into my art journal. So I'm going to be doing some art around this. But let me show you what's in the journal kit per se. This is, it just says, join me on Instagram, share your creative using this month's collection, Cheaply Chic June. And so that came with it. Y'all, but look at this. This is just gorgeous. Now, I love the paper. It's Fairy Paper Collection. It's got these beautiful, it's tied up with this little piece of lace here. And it's got some doilies and the word Bloom and snippets of lace. And then it's got this Rolodex card with the fairy stamped on it and some leaves. And this is all sewn on a piece of fabric, and it's sewn in the book. This is just lovely. And look at that beautiful, gorgeous fairy paper here. It's beautiful. I love it. And then, so it's got lots of room to do photos, journaling, whatever you want to do with it. But, you know, you have to decorate it yourself. And so, but it's just put together beautifully. I love all the tie-dyed papers and the paper, tie-dyed, coffee dyed papers. And then it's got planting the flower garden. I love this flower collection she put in here, and the pink and the music sheets. It's just a beautiful kit. And she said she put this beautiful wrapping paper in here. Isn't that pretty? And look at this, perennials. I love this with all the flowers on it. And then she did some coffee dyeing with hearts. Isn't that cool? And some ledger paper. So this is really going to be fun to document everything. I'm jotting down some things. And then here's the string. And when I show you the pieces that come with it, I'll show you what I'm going to be putting on that. And so what I thought I would do is do these each and every month. Hopefully that I can continue to get them. And this is my first one, so I'm starting in June. And I'll be able to continue this, and then I'm going to build a bigger cover holder to put all the months in there. So I love this paper. It's just really pretty. So she just leaves, there's just lots of journal places, and I love the back cover. I'm actually going to see if I can find some of those pockets and put a pocket back here, like the clear pockets, and this is the back. So that is just beautiful. But let me show you what else comes with the kit. So you get all these wonderful bits and pieces. So you have like a little string here, like to make a bookmark or something with. I think that's really pretty. And then you get some paper clips and some little fibers. Put these together to make, like, you know, paper clips or something like that. And I think that's why they come with the paper clips. You can make paper clips with them. And I love the colors this month. That purple and the teals, and it's very pretty. And then you get also this lace doily here. Not lace. This little doily that's tie-dyed, make a great little tuck spot. And then here you get some tickets. And these are the little hearts here. They're little punch-out hearts. And I'm going to glue these together and put them on the end of the middle string. So you get some little fairy tabs. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Little fairy tabs. Here's some little hearts. The rest of the little hearts. And some flowers. And there's the other two. Little hearts. I just love this paper collection. I wish I could have the whole collection. But I love the little tickets. They've been inked, sprayed, like I think spray ink. So, I may actually work on this a little bit Thursday night too. Putting some of my first things in here. Now look at this gorgeous image. This is vintage. It's a vintage postcard. It's the Cowslip Fairy. Isn't she adorable? And then there was more stuff in here. And y'all, I have gone through this kit. I'm so sorry, but I couldn't wait. It's a beautiful kit. So, I love the bag comes with it. You can put that in there. Then you get like a little card, some tags. And I love this. This is like avocado dot or ink stain index card with this flower on it. It's gorgeous. Put that in there. And then you get this little envelope. This is the one that's very vintagey. It's like their seed packs or something like that are cool. That is very cool. I love it. And it is vintage, and it's the original one. So I'll put that back in there. I think I'm going to slide this in here so I can keep up with everything. And then you just get this little note card you can do something with. And inside, look at this beautiful die-cut fairy. So she'll be going on a page. And then this pretty cupcake liner. And then another tag, like a layaway tag. It's pretty. And then this piece of, this like a large tag. It's the fairy tag. And it's already got a hole punched out. I'm thinking that I might laminate this and use it in my book somewhere. And I'm just going to stick some of this in here so I don't misplace it. Then she's given us a sheet of the paper that she used inside. And look at these lovely book pages. I love them. And they're all from a flower book that she had. You know, we all love words. And then a piece of this dyed paper. And then look at these lovely pieces of paper. It's kind of hard to decide where to use them because they're so pretty on the back. And I want to say this is the Graphic 45 line of fairies and stuff. This is beautiful. I'd love to have that collection too. And then also you get some images like this. The complete book of the flower fairies. Isn't that gorgeous? And I love this one. This is one of my favorites right here. And then they also have some on the back. And I'll probably, I don't know what I'm going to do with those yet. It's kind of hard to cut them out. And then you get this large sheet of music paper, which is wonderful. Oops. So, all this comes with your kit. And then some little, little pens here. And a couple of little beads on the little safety pin. And some blingies and brads. And then you get this beautiful piece of fabric here. I'm already seeing things come together in my head. But I'm going to be putting layouts and journaling in here. Like I said, this is the document all my things for happening in June. And I can't wait to start playing with it. So I hope you will follow along with me as I put my little mini junk journal insert together. And then we'll see what we have for next month. Alright, thank you so much for watching. go over to Cheaply Chic's boutique here on Etsy, and her channel, Cheaply Chic, here on YouTube. Now, this is sold out. I'm not sure if she does have some collections left, but I know this one is sold out. And watch for her every month. She'll put up a little thing on her channel to let us know that it's becoming available. And this is just going to be so lovely when I put all these into a binder from each and every month. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.